Uptown Swing, level 1 Charleston. This is Naomi. She has no voice. This is Peter. I have no foot. Together, we make kind of a teaching couple. So, I'm gonna dance a little bit. She's not gonna talk, I'll talk for her. This is what we did in Charleston. We just reminded you of the basic, really finishing that 7/8. Can we face each other so I can see our leg there? That 7/8 kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. People are skipping that one sometimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, it gets a little fast. Make sure you punch it out. Everything's 2 counts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If it helps to count an 8 count, you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it starts over. That's your basic. Then we showed you kickaways. Kickaways go like this. Double kick, double kick, double kick, double kick. We stretch out, we squeeze in on the hip, stretch out, we squeeze in. When we're done, I just grab her back and we double kick. Finish out a basic, and that was it. And a boot.